How were the Egyptian pyramids built? This question has puzzled scholars and enthusiasts since time immemorial. The imposing structures stand as a testament to a civilization's ingenuity, a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. The answers to this question have changed and evolved over time, as new evidence and research continue to shed light on the mysteries of these incredible architectural masterpieces. In the early days of pyramid research, the prevailing hypothesis was that slaves built the pyramids using ramps and sheer manpower. These monumental structures, it was believed, were constructed by thousands of laborers who hauled massive stone blocks from quarries using ropes and sledges. The blocks were then carved with copper chisels, a challenging task considering the hardness of the stone. The finished blocks were dragged up ramps and meticulously placed into position. However, as more evidence unfolded, this theory began to waver. In the mid-20th century, it was suggested that the pyramids were not built by slaves but by skilled workers who lived in a pyramid village near the construction site. These workers, it was proposed, used a system of internal ramps to move the stone blocks into position. This theory challenged the previous notion of external ramps, suggesting instead that the ramps were within the pyramid itself. A remarkable feat of engineering that would have required detailed planning and precise execution. In the early 21st century, another theory emerged, suggesting that the pyramid builders might have used water to transport the heavy blocks. According to this hypothesis, the Egyptians built a series of canals and artificial harbors to bring the stone blocks as close to the construction site as possible. The blocks were then floated on barges to the base of the pyramids. This theory, while innovative, has been met with skepticism and is still the subject of ongoing debate. More recently, some researchers have proposed that the Egyptians may have used a type of concrete rather than quarried stone to build the pyramids. This theory suggests that the builders used a mixture of limestone, clay, lime, and water to create a form of early concrete. The mixture was then poured into wooden molds to form the blocks. While this theory is considered controversial, it offers a completely different perspective on the pyramid construction process. In conclusion, the question of how the Egyptian pyramids were built continues to ignite curiosity and debate. From the early theories of slave labor and external ramps, to the more recent hypotheses of internal ramps, water transportation, and concrete blocks, the evolution of these theories mirrors our ever-growing understanding of this ancient civilization. As we continue to explore and investigate, we edge closer to unraveling the secrets of these timeless monuments, making the question, how were the Egyptian pyramids built, as intriguing today as it was when the first pyramid rose from the desert sands.